The North is free thanks to you.
But they lost their king.
Ned Stark's daughter will speak for them. She's the best they could ask for.
Where will you go?
Where will we go? I don't watch over your father's ghost will come back and murder me.
Where will we go?
If I fall, don't bring me back.
If Ramsay wins, I'm not going back there alive.
We need to trust each other. We can't fight a war amongst ourselves. We have so many enemies now.
I made it myself to like it.
Yes. I like the wolf bit.